Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your Meta Quest 2. First, turn on your PlayStation 5 and make sure it is updated to the latest system software. After this, go to the settings menu on your PS5. Open the section called System, then find Remote Play, and turn on the Remote Play feature. Your console must have this setting enabled before it can connect to the Quest 2. Next, put on your Meta Quest 2 headset. Go to the App Store inside the headset and search for a Remote Play or PS5 streaming app. There are different apps made by third-party developers that allow PS5 streaming to the Quest 2, such as the Chiaki app. Once the app is installed, open it inside your headset. The app will ask you to sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Use the same account that is signed in on your PS5. After that, go back to the app in your Quest 2 and search for your PS5. When the console appears, select it and allow the connection. Your PS5 may show a small pop-up asking you to confirm the Remote Play link. Once the devices connect, the PS5 screen will appear inside your Quest 2. Thanks for watching.